then Richard update, 4 stars on the floor.
Saka uwi kami, hindi kami pagod. Yung pinag-uusapan nga namin palagi yan.
Kasama daw sa authority.
Iba yung story ni Dave kasi. Lalo kahapon. Kidding aside, I think, this is, I think, the biggest dance collab show ever produced in Philippine television history. And I can't wait for all the viewers locally and sa abroad na mapanood nila to kasi we're very excited. Diba mo pa pala to? Yes. Tumayo na mo? Joke lang. Pero yeah, we're very excited, we're very happy, and I think ayoko nang magbigay ng mga sugarcoat na pinagrapan namin to, hindi kami natulog, ganyan. You have to see it for yourself, guys. You have to see the show to know what I'm talking about. Thank you po.
Yan. Sa IG story ni Leisang, nandiyan sa LA. May kasama ang Team Alden, siyempre. Yung post ni Sir RB, kumain sila dyan sa Church Texas Chicken. Yun, no? Sarap niya, no? Siyempre, birthday. Happy birthday kay Leisang. At sa post ni Alden, for Silvana Lirio. Pera padala. At sa Hunger Kita, na endorsement ni Alden. Yun, no? Gwapo na model. Ayan, ID story ni Alden. Ang Viber verse. Saka yung Colnago na bike. Solid yan, ha. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.